Okay, so hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to integrate a chat plugin like this one in your website. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is come to this website. It is called Talk.to. So you just search Talk.to and create an account. After creating an account, you will have add property, so you can add a property name you can give your website. So let's say chat plugin. In my case, it's not, it doesn't exist, but let's just go with it, chat plugin. Then next, invalid url.com, so .com or .something. Next, then you'll given this code, copy the code, then go to your website. So this is the code for my website. It's just a basic HTML skeleton. So you have to add the code you copied from Talk.to here before the closing body tag. So just like any other JavaScript code, the script tag comes immediately before the closing body tag. Then after that, you can so let me close my live server and open it again. So I've opened my live server, so it should open a new tab. Then in this new tab, you should see here, we are here. So this is the chat plugin. So, and that is the easy way of doing it. So you can when a client visits your website, you can text a message through the plugin. Then you can install the Talk application from Play Store, and you'll receive the messages from your website to that application. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you.